Here we have an elevator at the north class, or no, this is central classroom?
West. Oh yeah, central.
Central classroom.
Yeah, I like you said north. I mean, it confused us all. ADA buttons for CN 201. China 201.
Yeah. What is this one? Is this Dover as well? Westinghouse?
I believe, yeah.
Well, it doesn't have the hole where it doesn't have the Westinghouse keyhole.
They replaced a lot of them.
Oh, look, Dover as well. Dover blue.
Weird. All the, I could swear the documentation on these Westinghouse.
Sometimes, not often, but it's rarely sometimes wrong. This one might have a good motor too.
I'm still waiting for the one that's silent.
Yeah, right?
It sounds like it's gonna be good, and then there's just inverse noise and sucking the noise out of your
It's like a black hole. This campus has some good motors.
And the motors have a good campus. Not really, actually.
Yeah.
I mean, it's an okay campus now. Like it's not bad anymore.
But it still isn't what I wish it would. It could, or it still isn't what it could be, I should say. So
Right
here's the
up
thing.
on floor.
Like CU Denver wants to do more.
But CU's system wants to limit them.
Oh, that sucks.
Yeah. Because they're trying to push all the traffic to Boulder. They're like, we need Boulder to remain our main campus, because in reality, Denver could easily be.
One of them is a winner. That's fine. That's right. It is. It is. Oh, well, thank you. But you